Hello, welcome to Bunch Natural once again. Today we're going to talk about servicing or cleaning of the air conditioners. Do you know that maintenance and servicing of your air conditioner is necessary? Surprisingly, some people don't care about this culture at all. And air conditioner parts like air filters, evaporator coils and fins, condenser coils and fins require regular cleaning and maintenance for the AC unit to function pretty efficiently. Applying the culture of precautionary and preventive maintenance on the AC is necessary to ensure steady performance and your air conditioner year-round. Remember, checking for dirt on your AC evaporator regularly by opening the front cover or front grill is necessary. Cleaning the air filter, evaporator cooling coils and condenser units with pressure water pump when due is very important. You have to observe safety precautions by keeping your surroundings clean and avoiding your space from being too dusty. Don't forget, as long as your environment is too dusty, this will have serious effect on your AC air filters, thereby requesting that you clean them up at least once in 3 months. Enjoy the rest of the video. As soon as you notice that the air filters are dirty, please kindly take them out, wash them up, dry them properly, and reinstall them back to the units. In this place, we have two 36,000 BTU air conditioners to clean up. As you watch the video, you will notice them. In engineering, we have 3 types of maintenance culture: precautionary maintenance culture, preventive maintenance culture, and corrective maintenance culture. 3 of them is quite different in terms of pricing, and the precautionary maintenance culture is most cheaper, followed up by preventive maintenance culture, while corrective maintenance culture is quite expensive. That's when the unit has been grounded, packed up. You need to change some important parts. You need to revitalize, to resuscitate the unit for it to come back to life again, because it has been totally grounded. You wasted a whole lot of time. You did not observe precautionary maintenance. You did not observe preventive maintenance when due, and now it has been grounded. Then it's gonna cost you more. So all these tips is all you have to know. It's applicable in every engineering equipment you are using, whether automobile, electronics, in air conditioning, whatever, as long as engineering section is concerned. This video has been grouped into 2 sections. The one you are watching right now is section 1, and section 2 is around the corner. And please, kindly pay attention on every equipment you are using. As long as it's engineering equipment inclined, you have to give them close attention. And that's when you know when something is going to be wrong. Because if you don't do that, that means you're gonna buy corrective maintenance culture, and that's gonna cost you more. And this is the second unit of the 36,000 BTU 3 tons air conditioner, otherwise known as the wall mount. This is the second unit. We're gonna loose it up and flush it thoroughly, and put it back in shape as it was when we come, and to give it a befitting servicing to make it work more efficiently. Now we are putting up the chaplain, otherwise known as the water collector, so that as soon as we wash up the AC with pressure pump machine, the water collector is gonna channel the water right into the bucket underneath, so that we don't mess the whole space up with water by spreading water, spilling water all over the ground and on the wall. No, we come to repair and to service. We have not come to dirty up the entire place. From here, we are saying goodbye. See you on the next section of the video, in continuation of this very video, because it cannot be contained in this particular section right now. Thank you and have a nice day. And also kindly subscribe, like and share. You are welcome.